All right. Everyone in the trading lounge, I'm live, so if you want to come over here to see what I'm about to say, y'all got it now. I'm gonna give it like 36 seconds until we finish talking about birds, and then I'm gonna keep going. But no, we had two birds. I just at the time when we had the birds, we had two lizards. I got three. I had like four fish tanks up. A dog. So it was just a lot. So we ended up getting rid of the birds. But because I had a lot of fish tanks, a lot of them. I still got three of them up now. I just gotta get. I'm breaking two of them down and putting them all into one tank. Too many fish tanks. But yeah, I love birds. They were cool. All right, so 4 people are here already. I switched over. All right, let's keep going. So this day here, never came up to test this high at all whatsoever. But it broke the low clear as day, so I do believe we're gonna come down. I want to see us test in this area. If we go to the 12-hour, we made our W to make our M. I want to see it tap to make here. Push up to make this leg down. We made a higher high. I believe we're gonna make a lower high to make a lower low. Then this leg here. Come down, test these areas. Again, we got this order block or breaker block now. Let me move this over because we broke it. So we got this breaker here. See if we're gonna test this, or are we still gonna? Or is this one we're still working on here? Because we haven't broke neither one of these since here. This one we've already broke, but this one we've respected, and which is kind of crazy because this one is a smaller time frame one. But
this is how when they want to do something, it all happens.
Yeah, absolutely. But it's just as AJ always says, like these lower time frame ones are no good. This is a 1 hour. This one here, the 1 hour has been more respected than this 4 hour.
Yeah. But my analysis is almost the same that you're saying. So I'm expecting it to touch. So last night when we got a rejection from here, that means that this area, this rejection, that showed that it was unable to break the support along with all that momentum, even with the news that impacted and suddenly pushed the dollar down, that attack on the airport and bomb blast or something. So yeah, now we are back on there trying to test that OB in that weak area. Anywhere from there, expect a retracement. And then, but what I'm thinking is that this is what we are going to get during the Asian and the London, maybe on the left, like we have it here. So some sort of consolidation. We are not going to be breaking any low or anything at during Asian because we have news as well, right?
Yes. Yeah. So now, earlier, remember we were talking about how it confused me. It threw this here. I couldn't really figure out this W pattern. Now that this move is played out, I could see it clearly. That's sometimes where they throw it. This is the indecisive from the news. It's not clear as day. When there's no news or no big events like that and prices just moving, it seems to be a little bit less. It gives you more chances, right? It doesn't just move it there. It's consolidation. We get it, no volume, but the pattern itself doesn't play out. It just is indecisive the whole time until it actually moves. So but now that it's played out and this headache is here, and now we got news, so now I'm expecting us to move proper. I'm still holding these two positions. My sales, I ended up closing those sells earlier. I ended up closing, I believe, on this wick or something. I ended up coming back on and just closing them.
Oh, you don't remember when we were scalping? You were right here, right at the top, right at the wick top. If you look at the rally on here,
yes, the sells. Yes, we entered that, and it's because of that. This order block. As soon as we came into this order block.
Exactly.
Where was it? Was it here? Yeah. We came into this order block and we left, and I knew it. I knew as soon as we left this one, I knew I was gonna buy it, and I knew we were coming up to test this. We came up, wicked up, came back up, and we, I just knew it. It was one of those that I knew with my gut. You just had to see it play out, more or less. But that was a beautiful trade.
100%. I gave you a lot of credit on IG, and I was like, Mitch is doing so good. It was fun scalping with you. So tagged you on that.
yeah. It is scalping is fun. I do enjoy scalping because it's like you're here constantly rather than just taking don't get me wrong, making a lots of money, a shit ton of money is fun as fuck, but
yeah, for me it worked both ways, because when I take a place, I place a trade and it's on the way, but in the meanwhile I'm scalping, whenever there's
start
a good
that
setup.
shit. Sorry, not you. My thing started. My internet's fucking stupid.
Oh yeah, it got connected. I know it's the same terminal.
Yeah. 1 second. CMF, I'll be right. I'll explain it in 2 seconds.
Let's see what they're asking. Maybe I can help. I have to turn on our live stream. It was on lounge. Awesome. So we have 13 people on. That's amazing.
So when you capitalize on the W's, you want to just take these legs. So this move, we came down. I seen it here. We sold it. This is on a smaller time frame. This is an order block here, sitting here. And I took it from here. We made this wick here. I don't forget. Y'all not on the. So I got in here. Or we seen this, right? This one was, yes, we missed this. I capitalized this one, sold. So on this W's, I sell both of them. So I sell from here down to here. I buy it, I sell it, I buy it, and then I sell it on this down. So this is the small W, this is the big W. In the long scheme of things, to make it simpler, I'll show you on the little one. But you come up and you see the confirmation candles. This one, bam, left a big ass wick. We got another one in because I knew we were going to get another one in. We sold it from here and we dropped. Once this second candle came in, I ended up closing what was it? Partials. I don't remember what percentage it was. I ended up closing probably more than 75 to more to buy in, then sold, then buy. So that's how you capitalize on these W's. Also, when you get down to the long scheme of things, the long trades, which is pretty much my runners, these are my full positions. This move is my runner. Once you get here, you got to focus on, once you get on this last leg, it's yes, the last leg of the W, but it's also the first leg of the M. So just beware of that. You always got to keep in mind that we came down on this big here, so now we're coming up. So now I know we came down to be wary not to take a sell here, because I mean you could have capitalized, but this was just the bombing, right? This morning that bombing news came out, price dropped, we all capitalized because we sold as soon as this wick hit here. But normally it would just we came on my last leg. You just got to be cautious with we're going up in the long scheme. Short, we made my M. This is my last leg of my M. Then the W. Then the M. So on and so forth. If that makes any sense to you.
To me, it does because you have to, like yourself, you have to
But
train your eyes to see.
you've also been following the. I haven't seen CM in my chats in a minute. It's been a while. See, we're pushing up. It's the 920. So what do you say, Sasha? We taking a sell? Because I want to take a sell.
Yeah, same here. I'm also looking, but I'm just waiting for it to make its topic. It wants to take half an hour, sure. It can.
And I'm really upset. I see him. I'm just gonna bust your chops real quick. But I was explaining, and I missed my fucking buy-in because this right here was the buy-in. I'm just gonna tell you to scalp my wick because everyone knows that tunes in. I like my wicks.
It's a quick one there, right there.
Yeah, it's gonna be a quick 30-40 pips. So where are we taking this entry at? Everybody's been taking trades off my calls. I'm going to take a trade off someone else's call. So someone give me a trade.
How much we love your calls. That's it. I'm just waiting because if I'm looking at M30, this one is going a bit higher, so maybe it's going to fill a bit of the long wick that you have to give you a proper M type of thing. So just looking at it on the left on 30 minutes. So
also looking into that, we could leave a wick, but price might stop in and around here. I don't think we're going to make this whole wick this time. Because we came here twice, left it, then came here once. We created it with twice. We came in here twice, we left twice. I don't think we're going to make another one just yet. We will break this and close above it, but this is pretty much a strong, solid zone. If you look here, it goes all the way. If you back test this zone, so when we back test differently, I guess I'll play it back and have it run it, but also I will look through these time frames until my time comes and just look at the patterns and take, okay, I would have took it off this candle and so on and so forth.
Did it take the sell already, or are you waiting?
No, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for a confirmation candle that we're gonna go. I don't see one yet. So this is our confirmation right now. If this candle closes here, this whole setup, this was our real confirmation. But we're gonna give another one, right? So this was the indication to tell me that we were gonna go. I probably would have took a position here or here, but then I would have got in here. But we're gonna test down. Beautiful, beautiful. So now we're gonna come up a little bit, and then I'm gonna get in. I'm not gonna capitalize this whole wick, but because I missed it, so.
Hello, Sasha and Mitch.
Did we win? Did Mason win?
Of course they won.
No, I'm just saying. I knew they were winning. I just had to.
I knew they were winning.
Of course they won. Football is my life. That's the only thing I probably like more than trading.
You see, she's back and she's like, I'm not going to be coming because I have my son's football.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I love football.
Since Michelle is back, everybody, I am going to be done streaming. Y'all could tune back into the trading lounge. And I'm done. I only threw the stream because I didn't think Michelle was coming today. But Mason kicked their asses.
No,
so
we made it home.
They spanked
like
him
5 minutes ago. I was like, all right, let's go see what the charts are doing.
So back to the trading lounge. Thank you. Before y'all all go, y'all got to like and subscribe for the people that didn't. I'm just going to tell you that right now. Because I'm still host of the Zoom, right? I'm going to shut it all down if y'all don't like and subscribe before we go.
I like that. I love that.
No, but we're
I'm still the host, and I'm gonna shut it all down. I love it.
There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. Nice.
Did y'all see
All right.
how that daily candle closed yesterday?
All right. Now y'all can tune into the live trading lounge.
Yeah, I swore it was going to go negative. I